Hi everyone, this is LT3. I can calculate tip in percentages. So for number one, we have what is 25% of $32? Remember, on these problems, the first thing you need to do is change the percent into a decimal. So the decimal always starts after the number, and then you need to move it 2 places to the left. Move it one time, another time. So this turns into 0.25. And then what's asking me to find a percent of a number, I'm just going to multiply those two numbers together. So if I multiply 0.25 times 32, I'll get $8. And so that means that $8 is 25% of $32. Okay, on number two, let's say you went out to eat and your subtotal was $4.13. If I want to give a 15% tip, we're going to do the same thing that we did over here. So I'm going to turn 15% into a decimal. So I start over here, I move it 2 places to the left, and so that turns into 0.15. And now I just want to multiply $4.13 times 0.15. And when I multiply that, I get 0.6195. But money only goes to 2 decimal places, so we want to round that. So I want to round it to 2 decimal places. And so I'm going to look at the third number. And so remember, the saying is 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, add 1 more. So because this is 5 or more, I'm going to add 1 more to this number. And so instead of having 0.61, I'm going to have 0.62 because I'm going to add 1. So that means I'm going to add 62 cents as a tip. And then to find my total, I just need to add these two numbers together. So I'll add $4.13 plus 62 cents. And so for my total, I would pay $4.75.